What if I told you that you could build a 3,500 square foot dream home with a 2-car garage for under $400,000 in 2026? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick with me because I'm about to break down the exact costs, real numbers, and everything you need to know about building a Quonset Barndominium this year. And here's the best part. I'm going to reveal a trusted company at the end that specializes in these builds and has helped hundreds of people turn this dream into reality. So don't click away, because the company I mentioned could save you tens of thousands of dollars. But first, if you're serious about building your own barndominium, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share real cost breakdowns, honest reviews, and insider tips that'll save you money on your build. Let's dive in. What is a Quonset Barndominium? Before we talk numbers, let me quickly explain what makes Quonset Barndominiums so special. A Quonset structure is that distinctive curved, semi-cylindrical steel building that looks like half of a cylinder laid on its side. These were originally designed by the U.S. Navy back in 1941, and they've evolved into one of the most cost-effective and durable housing options available today. When you add a 2-car garage to a 3,500 square foot Quonset Barndominium, you're typically looking at about 2,900 to 3,000 square feet of living space and 500 to 600 square feet dedicated to your garage. The beauty here is that it's all under one roof, one foundation, and one continuous steel structure. The 2026 cost breakdown. All right, let's get to what you really came here for, the money. I'm going to give you completely transparent numbers based on current 2026 pricing. Material costs have actually stabilized about 4 to 8% from 2025 peaks, which is great news if you're building this year. For a 3,500 square foot Quonset Barndominium with a 2-car garage, here's what you're looking at. The building kit itself, which includes all the corrugated steel panels, framing, fasteners, and basic end walls, will run you approximately $49,000 to $70,000. That breaks down to about $14 to $20 per square foot just for the kit. Now, this is just the shell, the weatherproof exterior structure. Foundation costs for a building this size will be significant. You're looking at a reinforced concrete slab foundation that'll cost between $21,000 and $35,000. This includes site preparation, grading, and a 6-inch reinforced slab, which is what you need for the garage area to support vehicles. Professional assembly and erection of the steel structure will cost $17,500 to $35,000, depending on your location, and whether you hire a full crew or just supervisory help. Some people save money here by doing owner-assisted assembly with friends and family. So your shell total, which gets you a weatherproof structure with foundation, ranges from $87,500 to $140,000. That's roughly $25 to $40 per square foot. Now let's talk about finishing the interior, which is where costs vary the most based on your choices. For the 2,900 square feet of living space, you're looking at interior finishing costs. Budget finish level runs $65 to $85 per square foot. Mid-range finish is $95 to $120 per square foot, and high-end luxury finish goes $130 to $160 per square foot. Let's use mid-range finishing for our calculation. At $110 per square foot for 2,900 square feet of living space, you're looking at $319,000 for interior work. This includes spray foam insulation at $8,000 to $14,500, interior framing and drywall at $40,000 to $55,000, flooring throughout at $20,000 to $43,500, kitchen with mid-grade cabinets and appliances at $35,000 to $50,000, bathrooms with 3 full baths at $30,000 to $45,000, electrical system complete at $20,000 to $28,000, plumbing throughout at $18,000 to $25,000, HVAC system properly sized at $15,000 to $22,000, interior doors and trim at $12,000 to $18,000, and paint and finishes at $8,000 to $12,000. For the 600 square foot garage space, finishing is much simpler. You're looking at basic insulation at $1,800 to $3,000, epoxy floor coating at $1,800 to $3,600, garage door system with 2 9x7 doors at $2,400 to $4,000, Electrical with two 20V outlets at $3,000 to $4,500. Basic lighting at $1,200 to $2,000. And drywall and paint at $3,600 to $5,400. Total garage finishing runs $13,800 to $22,500. Additional necessary costs include permits and engineering at $4,000 to $7,000. Well and septic if rural at $25,000 to $35,000, or municipal connections at $8,000 to $15,000. Driveway and parking area at $6,000 to $12,000, and basic landscaping at $5,000 to $10,000. Let's add this all up for a mid-range finish. Shell and foundation totals $113,750. Living space interior at $319,000. Garage finishing at $18,150, and additional costs at $47,000. Your grand total comes to $497,900. That's approximately $142 per square foot for a complete, move-in ready 3,500 square foot Quonset Barndominium with a 2-car garage. Now, if you go with budget finishes and do some work yourself, you could bring this down to $350,000 to $380,000 total. With high-end finishes and all the bells and whistles, you might reach $550,000 to $620,000. Compare this to a traditional 3,500 square foot home with a 2-car garage. In 2026, that would typically cost $525,000 to $1,050,000, depending on your region. You're potentially saving $100,000 to $400,000 by going the Quonset Barndominium route. Why Quonset Barndominiums cost less? Let me explain why these structures are so affordable. First, the steel structure requires 40 to 50% less labor than traditional stick-built construction. There are no complex roof trusses, no load-bearing walls to engineer, and no complicated framing. It's basically a giant erector set that bolts together. Second, the construction timeline is incredibly fast. The shell can go up in 10 to 14 days with a small crew. The entire project from groundbreaking to move-in can be completed in 4 to 6 months, compared to 12 to 18 months for traditional construction. Time is money, and faster construction means lower labor costs. Third, these buildings are incredibly durable, which means lower insurance costs and virtually zero exterior maintenance. The galvanized steel exterior will last 50 to 100 plus years without painting, replacing siding, or worrying about rot or termites. What you get in a 3,500 square foot layout. With 2,900 square feet of living space, you can comfortably fit 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, a large open concept kitchen, dining and living area, a home office or study, a utility room, and still have space for bonus rooms like a media room or gym. The 600 square foot garage easily fits 2 full-size vehicles with room for storage, workbenches, and equipment. Many people also add a workshop area within the garage or extend it slightly for more hobby space. The completely open interior, thanks to the arch design with no support columns, gives you total freedom in layout. Want vaulted ceilings throughout? You've got them. Want to change the floor plan later? Just move some non-load-bearing partition walls. 2026 market conditions. Here's what's happening in the market right now that makes 2026 a good time to build. Steel prices have stabilized and actually dropped 4 to 8% from 2025 peaks. Supply chain issues that plagued 2021 through 2024 are mostly resolved. Labor availability has improved in most regions. Those skilled trades still command premium wages. Interest rates have moderated slightly, making construction financing more accessible. The barndominium trend continues to grow, with 35% increase in popularity since 2023. This means more contractors are familiar with these builds, more lenders understand them, and more suppliers stock the materials you need. Potential challenges to consider. Now, I want to be completely honest with you about potential challenges. Zoning and permitting can be tricky in some areas. Some counties and HOAs don't allow metal residential structures, so you must check before buying land or committing to plans. Always verify with your local building department first. Financing can be more challenging than traditional homes. Many conventional lenders are still hesitant about non-traditional structures. You might need a construction loan or specialized barndominium lender. Plan on 20 to 25% down payment in most cases. The curved walls create unique design challenges. You can't push furniture or cabinets flush against the lower portions of the walls. Window and door installation requires custom framing. These aren't deal breakers, but they require planning and potentially add $5,000 to $15,000 for custom solutions. Proper insulation is absolutely critical. You must use spray foam insulation on the curved steel surfaces to prevent condensation and ensure energy efficiency. This costs more upfront, $1.50 to $5 per square foot, but it's not optional. Skipping proper insulation will lead to moisture problems and high energy bills. The cost-saving strategies. If you want to reduce costs, here are proven strategies. First, handle your own project management instead of hiring a general contractor. This can save 10 to 20% of total costs, but you need time and organizational skills. Second, do selective DIY work on tasks like painting, installing flooring, landscaping, and basic trim work. Leave electrical, plumbing, and HVAC to licensed professionals. This can save $25,000 to $50,000 on a 3,500 square foot build. Third, phase your build. Complete the shell and move into a partially finished space, then finish sections over time as budget allows. Many people start with 1,500 to 2,000 square feet finished and complete the rest over 1 to 2 years. Fourth, source materials locally when possible. End walls, windows, doors, and interior materials can often be purchased locally for less than through the kit supplier. The company you've been waiting for. All right, as promised, let me tell you about a company that consistently delivers quality Quonset Barndominium builds. SteelMaster USA is one of the most respected names in the Quonset building industry. They've been in business for decades and specialize in residential Quonset structures. What sets SteelMaster apart is their complete approach. They manufacture their own building kits using American-made steel. They provide detailed plans and engineering. They have a network of experienced contractors nationwide, and they offer ongoing support throughout your build process. SteelMaster uses a simple assembly system where all panels are pre-drilled and all bolts are identical throughout the structure. This makes assembly much easier whether you're hiring pros or doing it yourself. Their buildings are engineered for your specific locations, snow loads, wind requirements, and seismic conditions. They also offer various models. The S model and Q model are most popular for residences. The S model has a slightly raised center, giving you more usable wall space, while the Q model is the classic semicircular design that's most affordable. Many builders also recommend checking out Mueller Steel Buildings and Power-Built Steel Buildings. Both have excellent reputations and can provide competitive quotes for your 3,500 square foot project. So, to recap, a 3,500 square foot Quonset Barndominium with a 2-car garage will cost you approximately $350,000 to $620,000 in 2026, with most people landing around $420,000 to $500,000 for a quality mid-range finish. That's $100,000 to $400,000 less than a comparable traditional home. If you're seriously considering this, here are your next steps. First, verify your local zoning allows metal residential structures. Second, secure your land and get soil testing done. Third, get quotes from at least 3 reputable Quonset builders, including SteelMaster. Fourth, secure financing, whether through construction loans or cash phases. Fifth, work with an architect or designer to create your floor plan and ensure it maximizes the unique Quonset space. Remember, this isn't just about saving money. It's about building a durable, unique, low-maintenance home that will last generations. These structures can withstand extreme weather, require virtually no exterior maintenance, and give you complete design freedom inside. Have you built or are you planning to build a Quonset Barndominium? Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. I read every single one and respond to as many as I can. If this video helped you understand the real cost of building a Quonset Barndominium with a garage, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe because I've got more detailed cost breakdowns, builder reviews, and real barndominium tours coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we explore actual build examples and what people are saying 1 year after moving into their Quonset Barndominiums. See you there.